What's up, art lovers? I am Nirma. Today we will learn to paint these beautiful creatures from our fingerprint. You know what? Spiders are my favorite. I'm totally madly in love with them. Oops! Let's grab our colors and paintbrushes. Let's get started. So we need materials like watercolor cakes. Okay. Then paintbrush, any drawing sheet or drawing book or even sketch pad. Where is my black pen? Yes, this is my fine liner. You can use a gel pen also. So you have to wet your watercolor cake. Okay, I'll be doing now Ladybird Insect. So I'll be taking this red shade. Okay. I've just took my paintbrush and wet my watercolor cake. Gently press your thumb on the watercolor cake. Dab, dab, dab. Then place your thumb onto a sheet. Whole thumb. Okay. Let it get dried. I find it too excess. The colors are too excess, so I'm just wiping out with the help of a tissue paper. So at this time the tissue paper comes handy. Okay. So it's quite dried. So I'm using my fine liner. This will be the sleeping line. And then a cap shape. Okay, just like how you got a cap, and here two antennas of insect, then legs. Insects has 6 legs, so even you can do all in the same straight line. I don't know why I did the other one shorter. Just I wanted to do it kind of like, it's in the other end. So you have to draw some patterns. Okay. So I'm going to take this black color. Now I'm just wetting this black color watercolor cake. By the help of a paintbrush, I'm just filling the patterns. Oh, oops. It's getting spreaded. That's okay. Okay. Slowly I'm just filling the patterns. Okay. Okay. I don't know, I'm struggling with my color today. Pardon me. Okay, I'm using a tissue paper to take that, the spread of a color in between. The best way to avoid these kind of things is that you just wait until the fingerprint is totally dried. Okay. So again, I'm taking the black color and just filling the center part of the pattern. So those patterns should be more dark. I'm totally struggling with this uh, filling the color for the patterns. Let's see what happens. Okay, now it is far better. Now it's getting into a shape. And also fill the white part of the ladybird, okay? That red with the red color. If it is there, if the white part is there, then only. So, okay, our ladybird is ready. So our next animal is snail. I'm taking the brown color, same procedure, just wet the watercolor and then uh, take your thumbprint and just place it on the sheet. If there is an excess water, with the help of a tissue paper, just gently press it on it and wait for some time to dry. So I'm taking a fine liner to do a head of a snail. Here goes the eyes. Okay, the mouth. Sorry that I have paused my video for a while. So this is how you make a shell. Okay, a spiral, a simple spiral, or just one circle is also fine, not a problem. Okay. So here is our snail getting ready. Okay. So I am going to take a lighter version of brown so that there will be some kind of highlight. Same thing with the watercolor cake. Load the brush with the lighter version of the brown color. So here it is, our snail. Our next creature will be honeybee. So I am wetting my watercolor cake yellow color. Yes, see. So I am dabbing my thumb with yellow color and slightly gently I am pressing it onto the paper. Okay. If the fingerprint is light, just take the same watercolor and again put the fingerprint on the same place. I hope you can see now the proper fingerprint. Okay. Now I'm taking a fine liner to draw the outline for the honeybee. So this will be the sting. We'll do some kind of, yeah, here it goes the wings, eyes, mouth, then some patterns. Okay. So I'm just filling these patterns with the black color. So our sting is totally filled with black color. When I think about honeybee, I remember once I have been bitten by it. Oh, that was very painful. So I'm loading my brush with the black color. I'm just filling the patterns. Oh, it's getting spreaded up. That's okay. Like, what you can do is, if something like this happens, you can just take a tissue paper and uh, press it gently on that and wait until it get dried completely. Then you can correct it with your fine liner. So our wings are colored with a light gray color with the help of a paintbrush. So this is our honeybee. Now the next we will be doing caterpillar. So I'm taking this green color. I'm just wetting the green color and dabbing my finger, my index finger. Okay, we want a small circle kind of fingerprint to make. Here it goes the first fingerprint, then goes the second fingerprint, again the third fingerprint, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So each time you have to load your fingerprint with the color if the colors are not sufficient. Okay, I think the colors are a little bit thick, so I'm just spreading it around. So I'm not going to wait for a longer time. I'm just doing the outline for the caterpillar for each fingerprint. Okay, and here it goes the tiny legs. So in each segment I'll be doing some legs of caterpillars. Here it is, our caterpillar. If any corrections are required, just do it. You can fix it. Okay. So I'm just spreading the color as I find my colors are too thick. Oh, okay, here is the caterpillar. Now we will be doing spider, which is my favorite. And I have taken the brown color. Okay, same with the index finger, you just do the first part of the head part of the spider and then take your thumb, do the other part of the body of the spider. I find the color is very thick, so I just wiped out with the tissue paper. So I have used your brown color. Okay, here goes one circle, again one more. So the head and the body of the spider is fused. Okay, this goes the leg. So spiders have 8 legs, and actually they have 8 eyes, but It's better to show two here. It's just a doodle kind of thing. Okay. So here are our beautiful creatures. Hope you enjoyed it. So thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Suppose if you try this tutorial, don't forget to share it with me. I will upload your artwork in my art pages in FB and IG. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. Don't forget to follow and like on Instagram and Facebook to see my paintings. Art, hugs and peace. Namaste.